So we screwed up. We got to rip this whole thing out, and we got to extend it another 6 feet. You remember we posted a video of how to install a putting green, but it should have been titled "How to Install a Putting Green, Not the Right Length." Problem was, we shot a drone shot. Actually, Chelsea, you shot a drone shot. Beautiful shot from the air. The customer saw it didn't go to where it was supposed to go. So we got to go another 6 feet this way towards Tim. So we're gonna rip this out and extend that to the middle of the pool, which is exactly where it was supposed to go. So we messed up. We're gonna fix it. It's gonna cost us probably $7,000 or $8,000. So it might not be playing bonuses this month. Guys are cool with it. They're awesome. So humble pie. What's the humble pie, Tim? We messed up. We confessed.
Trying to fix it out.
We're gonna fix it. So we're gonna fix it. So stay tuned. I think the game plan is to, as you can see, Steph, we're separating the putting green turf from the fringe, so we're going to cut. As you see he's doing, he's going to cut like this all the way through. So that way we can at least salvage the fringe. It's going to be the same size over here. So we'll cut that out, and we're going to bring in the new piece and see if it works. Lay the new piece out. Put this on top of the new piece, spike them, stretch them, and then cut around the edge so it's the same exact size here. And then if all goes to plan, we'll cut the end piece like this so we can use that same fringe over there. So we're gonna cut this out. We have to scrape off the tape on the back side of the fringe so we can actually reuse that. So slice this up, cut the tape off, keep rolling, baby.
They need your muscles, Tim.
The tail. What's this?
They need his muscles.
Yeah, right. Welcome to the gun show. Let's use the shot.
What's up, y'all? So right now we're. What's up, y'all?
Carry on. Go ahead.
So we're ripping on the paper here. Coming up pretty easily, but there's just some spots where it's kind of shredding, and yeah, I think it might be like right there. But what we gotta do is like kind of get that exposed again, so when we re-glue it, that's something to adhere to more than just the paper that was previously down. So lots of fun.
Got that on camera.
Stretching this out so that way we can leave the other one on top of when it gets here and kind of cut it to match the part we're going to use again, and we'll just extend from where we need to, where we're going to be to where we need to be.
I forgot to say, hey y'all. What's up, y'all?
make a life for myself. Make a life for myself.
Alright, so what we've done, or what we're gonna do, we think this is the best way to do it. So we got a new piece that's literally 7 feet off. Really discouraging, but it's what it is. So we took this up. This is the new piece. So now we're gonna spike these two together and hope that they'll stay together. And then we'll just cut around the edge, so we'll keep that same exact shape. And then once we get down here, we'll just cut a new curve in there. So we're gonna spike these in, kind of stretch it a little bit, cut it out, see how it goes.
Make a life for myself.
So since we had to remove the putting green, we had to step on this area, and so it created some divots and bumps, and it wasn't super smooth. So we're gonna go through and just kind of smooth this out real quick, hit it with the compactor once, and should be ready to lay the turf on it.
We saw this video, different way we're gonna try the gluing of turf. So all it is we're actually gonna leave one side down, and you don't have to go all the way back here necessarily. It just goes a little bit along the edge like this. And then you just push it down. Then you just do the same thing with this side. It was just that easy. So. sorry.
Oh, Electric Rhythms would be blessed by my singing of this song.
Your favorite song?
One of my like top 2, yeah. Sweet Caroline, then this song.
Are you gonna play this at your wedding?
Dude, Steph. Your favorite song?
Second favorite song. Sweet Caroline's number 1. This song's number 2.
Sweet Caroline's understandable. This is not.
This is not understandable. It's a great song, Boston Talking About. Ending unplanned. Staring at the blank page before you. Open up the turf, Tammy. The sun illuminate the one. Oh gosh, dang it.
The green is in. We have got most of everything seamed, taped. The only thing we have left to do is to stretch the turf out, spike it, and then cut our holes for our cups. So as you can see, it's a little dirty, a little messy. Not everything is seamed and taped, but for the most part it is. So we're gonna leave it until it's warm. It'll be a good day to stretch this thing out, spike the ends, cut the cups like I just said. This thing will be back. So as you can see, we've extended down this way. We went an extra 9 feet. We just messed up. We should have just, I had the turf, I cut it. I don't know why we did what we did. It was winter, probably Tim's fault. Moving one of these cups over here, you can't see it, but we ended up moving one from there with the light over this spot. So everything's nice and even. Looks great. Homeowner's happy, we're happy. We hope you're happy. Have a good day.
See y'all on the flippity flip. See you on the flippity flip.